Hello everyone, I am Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in today's video we are going to see how we can join two sets. Okay, so there are three ways. First, using union method. Second is using update method, and third is using intersection underscore update method. Okay, so we will see three of them. So first I am just going to take this set. Okay, paste it over here, and I'll just duplicate values. Okay, I'll also duplicate this bike value also. Right, okay, we are fine now. Okay, so let me create one more set. Okay, here I'll just enter all the duplicate values. I need to duplicate in another set, not in existing set, so I did mistake. Okay, I'll just write all the sets over here, and here I will also enter apple, APPLE, and banana. Okay, here I will say 2 and 1. Okay, we are fine now. So first is union method. So union method is new one. So union method basically returns new set collecting all items from both the sets. Okay, so if I say a equals to my set 1 dot union. So union is again inbuilt method in Python, and I'll write my set 2. And if I print it, oops, okay, print a and run it, then you can see I got whole another set. Okay, and it basically discarded duplicate values. Okay, so this is union. Then another we have update. So I'll say um, my set 1 dot update my set 2, and I need to just print my set 1. Okay, and I run it, then you can see I got whole another output, and it also discarded duplicate values. Okay, so this is update function. Then another we have intersection underscore update. Now this intersection underscore update method will basically keep only items which are present in both the list, like we have, sorry, in not list, item sets. Okay, so this car and bike are present in both the lists, so it will print only car and bike. So if I say um, my set 1 dot intersection update my set 2, and print this my set 1. Okay, and I'll just clear the terminal and run this. Oops, I need to write my set 2 over here. Okay, so you can see I got car and bike. So okay, so you can see these both values are present in both the list. Okay, so this is my, sorry, this is intersection underscore update. Now another we have intersection. Okay, so intersection method will basically returns a new list that only contains items that are present in both the lists. Now this, I mean, it is same. Okay, same as this update underscore intersection, but still I will show you my underscore set 1 dot intersection my set 2, print my set 1. Okay, and if I run it, let me do this way. So you can see I got whole result, right? Okay, so you can see again both the values are same in both the set. Okay, and methods also are same. Okay, like we have used all the methods which can be performed with a set. Okay, so we have discussed all the methods, so I am not going to discuss it again. Like you can refer the videos, right? So yeah, this is it for today's video, guys. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in next one. Thank you.